Hi everyone, this is Fikayo of fikidao.com, and quickly in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a very nice tooltip using Dreamweaver. And the package we're actually going to be using in Dreamweaver is actually Spry. We're going to be using Spry. So quickly I'm going to go to my files panel and create a new file in the root of my site. I'll name that DW Tooltip .html. Quickly, Dreamweaver takes me into code view. Then I'm just going to put a div here just to serve as a container. It might come in handy later. Then I'll go into my div and go to my menu and click insert and go down to Spry. And here in Spry, I'm going to go straight and select Spry Tooltip. If you watched my earlier tutorials on Spry, I said Spry is the wonderful package that comes with Dreamweaver that allows you to put so many lovely effects and functionality on your page without writing any line of code. So here we're going to select Spry Tooltip. So we'll click that, and quickly we're going to be exploring the code that Dreamweaver adds to our page. You see here, you see a span with an ID of trigger 1, and in between it you have tooltip trigger. Now this is the content that is going to trigger your tooltip, what you want your users to hover on for them to see your tooltip. It could be text, and it could be an image, it could be anything. So that's what you put in between this span tag. So I'm just going to put welcome. Also, no, we'll just put come to Mexico. Come, let me just say visit Mexico. Don't mind me. Visit Mexico. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Now visit Mexico is going to be the text that is going to trigger our tooltip to appear. Now you also have, under the span, you have a div here with a class of tooltip content with an ID of Spry Tooltip 1, and this simply is what the tooltip is going to be. The tooltip also can either be a block of text, you just want to pass a message, it's a very short simple message, or you want to show more details about what the user is hovering on. So yeah, I'm just going to simply put welcome to Mexico. Welcome to Mexico. Very good. Let's save that. If you're prompted to save any file, just save it by clicking OK on the dialog box. I'm going to go into my design view and show you some things. Here you see my tooltip. The trigger is here. Visit Mexico. Should I put visit Mexico? Not visit to Mexico. Yeah, visit Mexico. And as you can see here, you see the blue tooltip label, Spry tooltip label. You click it to control your Spry, and if you come down here in the properties panel, you actually see a lot of settings you can make on your Spry. For example, you can set the horizontal and vertical offset. You can control the show delay, that's the delay before it shows, and the hide delay, that's the amount of time it's to wait before it hides. You can also control the type of effect you want, whether you just want it to appear and disappear, that's the none by default. You want it to have a blind effect, you can set blind. If you want it to have a fade effect, you can set fade. So I'm just going to stick with none right now. You can specify whether you want your tooltip to follow the mouse. If you want it to hide or mouse out, these are checkboxes. You can actually click the two options, or one of them, or none. So quickly we're going to preview our tooltip in our browser. To preview it in Safari, yeah, I'm going to save changes to this definitely. Then as you can see, this is our tooltip trigger, visit Mexico, and as I hover over Visit Mexico, you see Welcome to Mexico. Isn't that awesome? Welcome to Mexico. That's a wonderful tooltip without writing any single line of code. Cool, right? Good. Now, as I said earlier, let's jump back to code view. This is the tooltip itself, and this is the tooltip trigger. This, apart from being text, can also be an image. You can be anything you want. Any valid HTML you want could be there, and can serve as either the tooltip or the tooltip trigger. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to put an image. I'm going to use an image as my tooltip, and instead of let me set an image there. Instead of saying welcome to Mexico, I just want nice Mexican man to pop up and welcome you. So I'm going to save that. See, I have an image here as my tooltip. Save it and go back to Safari. Refresh the page. Nothing happens, but when I hover on my trigger, you see welcome to Mexico. This is more appealing. This is more cool. A nice Mexican man just appears and tells you welcome to Mexico, even though it's not saying that, but let us assume it is. So this is a very wonderful way you can use Dreamweaver to make a wonderful tooltip. You can make the tooltip, might even be a flash short flash movie. When you hover on top of the tooltip trigger, it just shows a very short flash movie, and a lot of wonderful stuff you can do with this tooltip. So this is another awesome way Dreamweaver eases your work with Spry that comes with Dreamweaver. And I hope you guys get the idea. I hope you get the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you all the best. Keep visiting Figure It Out. Keep subscribe to our channel, like our page, and keep enjoying wonderful stuff from us. Thank you.